Today, let's learn 100 of the most common adjectives in British English. Part B. Price, quality and value. Expensive. That jacket is expensive but good quality. Cheap. These shoes were cheap but comfortable. Good. This is a good film to watch with friends. Bad. The food at that cafe was really bad. Easy. This app is easy to use. Difficult. That question was difficult for most students. Useful. This tool is useful for fixing things. Useless. That remote control is useless now. Valuable. This necklace is very valuable to me. Broken. My laptop is broken and won't turn on. Taste. Smell and experience. Delicious. The pasta was delicious and fresh. Disgusting. The milk smelled disgusting. Interesting. I think history is an interesting subject. Boring. The meeting was long and boring. Important. It's important to drink water every day. Unimportant. That detail is unimportant right now. Special. This is a special day for my family. Typical. That's a typical British breakfast. Clear. The instructions were clear and easy to follow. Confusing. The map was confusing to read. Light. Color and texture. Bright. The room is bright with natural light. Dark. It was too dark to see anything. Colorful. She wore a colorful scarf to the party. Pale. He looked pale after feeling sick. Soft. This towel is soft and warm. Hard. That bed feels hard and uncomfortable. Smooth. The table surface is smooth and shiny. Rough. The wall feels rough to the touch. Shiny. Your shoes look shiny and clean. Flat. This area is flat and easy to walk on. Status and condition. Open. The shop is open from 9 to 6. Closed. The museum is closed on Mondays. Full. The bottle is full of water. Empty. My wallet is empty after shopping. Safe. This area is safe to walk in at night. Dangerous. That road is dangerous when it rains. Alive. The plant is still alive and growing. Dead. The battery is dead and needs changing. Lost. I feel lost without my phone. Ready. Dinner is ready now. Nature. People and lifestyle. Healthy. A healthy diet includes vegetables and fruit. Unhealthy. Fizzy drinks are unhealthy if you drink too many. Wild. We saw wild animals in the safari park. Domestic. Domestic cats live in people's homes. Left-handed. He's left-handed and writes very well. Right-handed. Most people are right-handed. Local. We like buying food from local shops. Foreign. I enjoy learning about foreign cultures. Creative. She is creative and makes great artwork. Clumsy. She is clumsy and always drops his phone. Fantastic job. You've learned 100 common adjectives grouped by theme in Part A and B video. Like this video. Comment below. Download the worksheet. And subscribe for more lessons.